So, international V series, VA series pumps. Quite often you find that you end up with either no throttle, so you can't power up, or you find that you can't throttle down. So basically you can do this with it in the machine. The problem is you see that little thing there. What's happening is this gets stiff and you can't turn it. And because that gets stiff, do you see the little tag it sits into there? Basically, this little thing here is supposed to have a little pin sticking out. See how it's snapped off? I know my video quality is awful, it's snapped off. So basically what happens is that snaps off when that gets stiff. So all you have to do, just for info, there's a spring that goes in that too. Let's just show you that. There's a spring that lives in there like that. So literally all you've got to do is take the arms off. So the arms come off with a 10mm nut, you know, the little arms. But what you've got to do is you've got to mark the position of them. See how I've put a little cut in it? You won't be able to see because it's awful quality, but basically you need to mark the position of the arms before you take them out. And then you've got 4 screws that hold the main plate in place. So what I've done is, the screws can be a bit of a pig to get out, but if you put a punch in the top corner and tap them, as soon as they start to turn, they'll come. And then in regards to this, just some gentle persuasion. This does actually come out through this hole. Unfortunately, the hole in the middle is not threaded, but just gently teasing this, you'll get it to move. And as soon as it moves freely, you could withdraw it, but I think in all honesty I'm going to leave it in because it now moves. But it's just as easy as take that off, turn the fuel off at the back. So the international VA3, VA4 are pretty much the same. VA6 is the same, but it's a slightly separate section. But I think you can probably still do it. And then these pieces, literally just once this plate is off, these pieces just pull out. So you just tease and tickle it out. It's just an O-ring holding it. Let's show you that. It's just an O-ring holding it. Watch out for that spring, because it's gonna, when you put it back in, I fill that with Vaseline, or something to hold it. But yeah, it's as easy as that. No removal from the tractor, nothing. And this tends to happen when they sit for a while, because it's kind of muck gets in and seizes that, and then the pin snaps. Yeah, there we are, guys. I hope that helps. I mean, I know it's simple and basic, but I've watched a whole series of videos on VA pumps, and the amount of effort people went into, you know, in terms of pulling it out, from pulling the gear off, taking the whole pump out and doing blah, just for this pin problem, when you can actually just do it straight through the side. In terms of replacing the pin, so in terms of replacing the pin, that just pushes out. There's a shim in there, and I'm just going to pinch the back. I'm just going to punch the back of that pin through that way. Depends how much of it's left. I might actually just punch it out till it gives me enough to grip and leave it at that. Or I might put, I think it's a roll pin, and I might have a roll pin that's the right size. I'll just punch that in. But it's held firmly against that in there. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty simple. It was a lot easier than I was expecting. And if I run into any problems putting it back together, I'll do a part 2.